Okay, Okie. This is Oakland and Willow. And it was Oakland's birthday today.
So we're going to be opening the Play-Doh. Yeah, get started.
Ice cream sundae.
Making.
What?
Making
Ice cream sundae cart.
Yeah, ice cream sundae cart. So we do not know how to open this. I found it. So this is the ice cream stuff I need. And this is, and then I got the Play-Doh. And so we had, and we had the ice cream stuff. And so we don't have anything else.
It's the ice cream sundae cart.
So now we have to open this stuff
Got there,
up.
Oakland. Is that
Play-Doh. Then we get 3 kinds.
Yeah, now they have a new white one for whipped cream.
Ooh.
And there's a special little tool I think you stuff in it to pour it out.
And don't use your teeth to open stuff, kids.
Yeah, but
Like
we don't.
Oakland's doing. I can't.
I'll hold the camera. I'll hold the
No,
camera.
you can't hold the camera. Not for him open it. Uh-oh. Is this empty now?
It's all stuff in here.
So that's the Play-Doh cart. And this is
Wait.
Play-Doh Plus.
Yeah, Play-Doh
Weird.
plus. So this is all your stuff. I'll get it.
We're making a mess here.
Got it. So now we have green Play-Doh.
Oh, look, it looks like a marshmallow. Well, it did.
That's for whipped cream. There's supposed to be a special little plunger that you put it in and then,
It's right here.
yeah,
Dude, it.
put it in the green one and then push it out with the red one.
Oh, wow, look at that. Here, let's see it. Let's put it in the camera. What about the other one? Open this one up, too.
And that's a yellow. I really don't like yellow. Wait, here's a roller that you can do. But if you want to make ice cream,
Yeah, let's see you make some ice cream.
okay.
That would be neato.
I never had this before. Yeah, we never had it. So we're gonna
Neither
put
have I.
all of it in. All of it in this. Smush! Smush! Take this extra off
Cool.
and open.
Oh, cool.
But we did it wrong.
It's actually kind of cool.
We did it wrong.
It's like, what do you call it?
I got it.
It's an ice cream. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Squeeze.
I'll squeeze it. Ah! Let me do it. Okay, it's all out. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Now do it again. So now we did it wrong. So now we have to,
Here, look.
I have to put the rest of Play-Doh on this one. So now we're going to take them out of this one. Now we're going like that. Now we're
How'd you squeeze that? What did you squeeze that with, Oakland?
purple.
No, what did you squeeze this with? Your finger? Or where's the
It's right
hole?
here.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ready? Oh, I see. No, don't. You sure? Okay.
Whoa. Now here's the. Oh!
Don't worry, I'll make more.
Don't worry. I'll make more. So now we're gonna do is this. Is we're going to.
I'll just push it.
I know, baby. Now we're just going to take some of this,
There's more light right there.
and roll it. So this is a roller. What's this? Oh, Grandpa! Okay, that. Move it.
I'm trying to make a snow cone or a ice cream cone.
Okay, now I need this. Now we're gonna roll this out. Ooh, and here it is. Oh.
Alright, my ice cream cone's kind of weird.
I like it. Look at this. Ooh. Wish it came with a. Wait, did it come with a blue nut? Okay, now my turn. Now it's growing
It's my ice cream cone. Yay!
Now,
What else can you make with it?
I don't know, but there's this that you have to put back here.
Oh yeah.
For Play-Doh Plus. And there's molds up here so you can make anything you want.
Play-Doh Plus is supposed to go where? Right here?
And now I'm going to make my. And now I was gonna
Right?
do this. No, I'm gonna make. Now I'm going to make my Sundae. Woo! Now we're gonna take this extruder handle thingy.
Extruder?
Yes, they call it extruder. So now
Wait, your arm is in the way.
you see this?
Okay,
We're gonna
go
push
ahead.
down. Wow! Alright. It didn't do well, but I'm gonna put more in.
Yeah, you just gotta add.
Oh, whoa, dude. Come on, whoa. You have to do this all over again.
Why don't you make an ice cream bar for the camera?
Ice cream bar?
Yeah. You know, this thing.
Okay.
Is there any sticks? Oh, there's a stick. So, okay.
First, we have to put Play-Doh in
Put some Play-Doh on that side.
on each
On each
one.
side.
I need to roll it down here.
And then put the stick down.
Put a stick in one. Now we smush it. Smush it. Smush. Take the extra off.
I'm a little stronger.
Take the extra off now. All the extra off.
Yep.
Now we open it.
And it's an ice cream bar.
Come on.
You don't need it.
Here's our ice cream cone.
Too close.
Now there it is.
No, you took it.
Now, guys, I'm gonna make. Whoa. Okay. Now I'm going to make a sundae.
Actually, the video is getting almost 10 minutes, so we gotta say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, see you next time.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye,
Blah, blah,
Oakland.
blah.
Say bye-bye, Oakland.
Bye-bye.